Hey, it's Bob, Home Cook Basics. Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're new here or haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. It really helps build my channel. So today we're talking about how to cut shallots. So shallots are an onion, and they're small. They're almost like clovish, kind of like garlic. So you kind of peel them off of this. I really enjoy them in all kinds of dishes. If I'm creating a sauce, a pan sauce, or something that I sauteed, or they really go well in anything you're going to use an onion for, really. They're almost between a sweet onion and a yellow onion, and I really enjoy using them. So let's jump right into it. How to cut shallots.
So the first step is to cut the end off. You want to cut off the stem end, not the root end of the shallot. Now we're going to peel the outer layer off, the skin off of the shallot. As you can see here, I like to slice it, and it kind of gives you something better to grab. This actually has another shallot kind of piggybacking the other. I also like to use a paring knife to help pull off the outer layer. Now we're going to cut it the long way in half, right through the root end. Next step is to get a good grip, and we're going to slice towards the root end, but we don't want to go all the way through. So you're kind of cutting the elongated way into the root. Now this sets us up so we can dice it. Now I'm going to get these tiny little pieces. Take your time and keep your fingers back. When you get to the final little end, the root end, you can get a few little pieces left out of that, and then you're just going to toss it. And then continue it with the rest of your shallots. Now sometimes you get them and they're piggybacking one another. As you can see here, there was two, one connected to the other. Just pull them apart and treat them just like you did the other shallots. Now the other option is you can cut them in half and you can slice them. This is going to give you like half rings of shallots. Now there you go. You got diced and sliced. Use them any way you like them.
So that's it, how to cut shallots. I hope you see how quick and easy it is to cut these little guys. And I hope you try them next time when you need an onion. And please subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time on Home Cook Basics.